Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to get onto the district web page, to get onto your teacher web pages, to see what you need to do every week for the rest of the school year. So up here I'm just going to type in hasdk12.org and it will bring you right to the district web page. So you're going to select a school, Maple Manor, and then here on this gray tab it says Teachers. You're going to click that. Now these are the teachers in Maple Manor only. So you obviously have more than one teacher, so you need to find them by last name. For this example, I'm just going to use my page for Mrs. Burke, so I'm going to click that. I have my contact information right here, and then right here, parents and students, please view the tab labeled Online Instruction. Every teacher has a tab labeled Online Instruction, so make sure when you go to their page, you're clicking that tab. So when I get to my online instruction page, this is what you're supposed to be doing each week. It will explain to you a message, the objective, the standard. There will be a short PDN for you to do, the lesson, and then the assignments. So for my lesson this week, there's two things. Number one, Edgenuity. Now there's 4 parts in my Edgenuity, but I only want you to work on word meanings this week. So there's a warm-up, instruction, summary, assignment, and a quiz, and you get 3 attempts at that quiz. Once you're done with the word meanings page or the word meanings unit in Edgenuity, you are done for this week on Edgenuity. Then for number 2, you're going to go into Study Island. There's a lesson on there called affixes and roots, and that ties along with what you were doing in Edgenuity. So you're going to go over the lesson in Study Island. Then down here, assignments and assessments. On Edgenuity, complete the assignment labeled word meanings. Only this one, please. You will know the lesson is complete when you complete the quiz for word meanings. And then Study Island, affixes and roots, there's 15 questions for this assignment. If you're confused on any of the things within Edgenuity and Study Island, here's some videos here that will link you to a YouTube video on what root words are, suffixes, and prefixes, and that should help you. If you have any other questions, you can always go back to my welcome page and use one of these. Use my email, use my phone number that you can call me, okay? You can do this on Edgenuity as well. So when you click on online instruction, this is where all your stuff is. You can automatically just click Edgenuity login and it will bring you right here, okay? If I go back to this page and I have to go into Study Island, you can click on Study Island and it will bring you right to the login page, okay? So you need to make sure that you're doing that for all of your teachers, not just me, all right? Make sure that you're going to their page. Go to Teachers, go to their page. Make sure you click Online Instruction and read all of this information here because this is going to be important information for what you need to do this week. All right, please reach out to me if you have any questions at all, or if you need me to make a more detailed video of what you need to do here. Thank you.